So the great silver crash of 1980, what really had happened? Before the crash, silver bubble was burst. Silver price in early 70s was around 1.50 to $2 per ounce. But then suddenly what happened? Then suddenly 1980s it went up to $49, an all-time high. What a spike it was. But was it really, was it a bubble, or it was a created bubble? Yes, it was a created bubble by Hunt Brothers. Hunt Brothers started accumulating by heavy leveraging and future buying. They started accumulating silver to an extent where the people got FOMO and they thought कि अगर silver हम नहीं लेंगे तो something is missing. We have to buy silver. And in that FOMO, everybody started buying silver just because it was rising. Everybody wants to get into that rally and get in there. और यही हुआ, लोग देख कर के हम भी सिल्वर ले लें, सब सिल्वर लेने लग गए एंड सिल्वर के प्राइसेस हाइक. बट वो बबल था. सडनली अमेरिकन डॉलर स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग, सो द अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट डिसाइडेड कि जो ये लेवरेज पे काम हो रहा है इसको बंद कर दिया जाए. सो द कंपनीज लाइक कॉमेक्स एंड सीबॉट, so they changed their trading rules, so no long position was allowed in commodity market for a while. And what had happened? Actually, it changed whole situation and that bubble got busted. In just about few months, the silver again started falling. So in January 1980, it was peaked till $49. By the end of 1980, it came to $15, a 70% downfall. And then in 1981, another $10 down, minus 33%. And then another $5 down, that is another 50%. And it just kept going until it got depressed. People were wiped out of their thing. They were expecting another big hike, but then it never happened. It took 3 decades just to break even without inflation adjustment. So that's what happened in silver. Yes, right now I'm not saying the whole scenario will be repeated again but yes, a lot of big countries are accumulating silver at a very high speed. So this can probably, it's not a bubble I will say, but it can burst. And we can see a correction in silver. क्या होगी, कितनी होगी, I cannot comment on that, but this is my point of view. And risk disclosure, this is not my recommendation, but a historical data which I wanted to put in front of all of you to explain and to get the hang of the things कि ऐसे नहीं होता कि अगर एक चीज ऊपर बढ़ ही रही है तो हम भी उसी के अंदर घुस जाए. We have to evaluate and then probably slowly a part of it we can invest in there so that हमें एक अच्छे returns भी मिलते रहे, but हमारी safety और security भी साथ में बहुत जरूरी है. And we should play safe in stock market and play with being vigilant, checking all the fundamentals, all the details, and not go after the FOMO, what is happening. The rise and fall is a part of market, commodity market, stock market, and it will keep moving and keep going. So we should not be affected by it. Rather, we should be consistent, we should be more knowledgeable, try to understand the global economics, try to understand what is really happening, why China is sourcing so much of silver, is it a bubble they're going to burst? All of that should be considered and then take a call on it. And if you want to invest, go in for small sip and invest wisely. Thank you.